my video. Today's video is I'm going to cook our favorite soup, my family favorite soup. Every week we have one soup. 1 week this soup. They call ABC soup. Since today is raining in here, so I decided to make a soup, ABC soup. So I show you how I make a very simple and easy ABC soup. Okay, here are some ingredients that I do ABCs. I don't know what they call here in called ABC soup. I don't know why, but the ingredient is this: 1 corn, carrots, potato, garlic. Actually, some people don't use garlic because they feel it's not good. Ginger, onions. I use big one, but I cannot find the big one today, so I use the small one. And then I have pork. Pork ribs that I already washed it. And yeah, start to cook. Already have water here. Just put water here. The garlic. Just mix over. Boiled, I think about 1 hour to 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes boiled, so that the backbone will soft. And yeah, that's it. So I boiled down, boiled until 45 minutes. Then I put the potato in. So okay, we until 45 minutes. Ayan, 45 minutes na. Now ilagay natin yung potato. And then later na yung salt, yung seasoning. Yung light sauce tsaka yung salt. Then about boil another 30 minutes and we'll be okay already. Cover it. Small fire. Okay. Add salt. A little bit soy sauce. That's enough. Simmer for 10 minutes, then off.